So we're offering 4 basic training modules, one in reforestation, one in water conservation, one in nursery techniques, and one in organic farming. So if you're interested in any of this, you're welcome to come down. All of the training will be offered for free. Because Meghalaya is a state which is blessed with a lot of rainfall, but the problem is if we keep chopping down trees, then there's no way to hold on to that water. And we lose all of that chi, we lose the bulgrim, we lose all of our life here. So what we need to do is make sure that there are trees to hold on to the water. Actually, to the date, we moved in on the 19th of January to Daribok.
Daribok.
Yeah.
Before here, where you were?
Before here, so the thing is, if you guys are interested in a little bit of our history, we're an organization which started 19 years ago in Tamil Nadu. That's where our project started. Yeah. So, like, we started this project, we started Satna Forest 19 years ago in Tamil Nadu, and then after that we started in a few other places where we were dealing with different problems, but mostly helping out with reforestation. So we started our project in Haiti, in the Caribbean, and our project in Kenya in 2014. Yeah. And what we're doing in Kenya is doing water conservation and food security. And also, then we started this project in 2020.
Sir, who brought you here?
Well, this project actually was done in collaboration with the CLAMP, like a community-led landscape management project, under the, we have the emblem as well, the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency.
Okay.
So the MBMA was the one who engaged with us to start off with the mobile project first. So that's why we have these 2 buses, the green bus and the blue bus. So we were going to 5 different locations. We started off with East Khasi Hills.
East Khasi Hills.
And then we have in East Jaintia, and we have South Garo, and we had one other location.
South Garo, you have been there already?
I haven't been there, but our team was there. And then we were doing this moving around. And then finally the government said, will you be able to do this as a permanent thing? Like you stay in one place. And so we started this. This was our first permanent center.
This will be permanent place?
Yeah, this will be here for at least 30
years. Why so
years.
far, sir? This place is very far.
It is, but there's also a lot of need because there's a lot of people who want to be able to can conserve the wherever there's a need, we're happy to go. It doesn't matter how far it is. So we're more than happy to set up with these buses and offer our training for free. Because the major cause of deforestation across the planet is agriculture, usually to grow food for animals. Because animals eat a lot more than we do, and we fatten them up so that we can eat them. But here what we want to do is live as kindly as possible. We don't want to be responsible for the killing of animals, and we want to be able to grow our own food. So that's why we eat only from plants.
Okay.
Wait, let's see. Mang Mang Misu Samjak. It's not just about planting trees, because if it was only planting trees, we could have lived in a regular house, come out and plant the trees. But what we want to do is plant trees, but also live with the trees. And we want to live in a way that is genuinely very kind to the planet around us, which means solar energy, so we're not taking from coal, we're not taking from hydroelectric power, it's all solar energy. But here we have a trench which we've dug out, and the trench is the way in which we can trap all of the rainwater which comes running down the side of the hill. And then the water will stay here, and any extra water which comes out of this trench will be held by this particular structure, the crescent moon bund. The crescent moon bund will make sure that the water stays only here, so that when the rainwater comes, it'll stay here, and it'll be able to feed this particular beautiful tree.
Yes.
And then that way that tree can grow with the rainfall.
Yes.
Because otherwise, if we don't have this, all the water will just keep running away.
True, sir.
Which is not a problem if you have a forest, but if you don't have a forest, and if you only have a little bit of grass itself makes a huge difference between the ability to absorb water and the ability to lose water. And the project itself will be here for 30 years.